Hi, Carl with US Energy Recovery. Let's talk about what's next in LED lighting. That's a question that comes up, and I want to tell you that LED lighting has been an exponential technology. We have seen from its very beginnings it just have a slow rise, and in the last couple years it has been to the stratosphere on improvement not only in efficiencies but reduction in cost. And that's come to the point actually that we haven't seen the cost come down as much lately, because it has reached that threshold of improvement where a lot of the costs embedded in the fixtures that we buy or the components that we buy are actually in the construction of the fixture housing itself. So the chips themselves don't actually have a huge room for growth at this point until we start to see new technologies come online, like organic LEDs that you're starting to see in televisions. The problem is with those technologies, they're not as efficient and they're vastly more expensive at this point in time. And so what we're seeing today is that in the immediate future, we're actually not going to see a huge advance like we've been used to in the last 1 to 2 years in LED lighting. We're starting to see the market stabilize, not only in cost, but in performance. And so it really comes down to just choosing the core structure of the fixture itself and what gives the longest lives to the LED components themselves. And so don't hold back. Move forward now if it's something that you're considering, because what you buy today has incredible life on it. We're seeing a huge trend in 10-year warranties across the board on many of the fixtures that we work with in the industry. And so you're going to be able to capture those savings, and you're going to hurt yourself more by waiting and hoping that the cost drops, another 3% on it. You're going to save more every month that you have the new solution installed. So if you'd like to learn more on how to do that and take the next step, go ahead and visit usenergyrecovery.com.